a network of teleports leads to fiber points of presence around the globe. So the expansion of Intelsat series is international telecommunication satellite. Then INSAT. INSAT, or the Indian National Satellite System, is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellite launched by ISRO to satisfy the telecommunications, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operations. So in 1983, INSAT is the largest domestic communication system in the Asia-Pacific region. It is so in 1983, that is INSAT. The expansion you have it. What purpose? Telecommunication, broadcasting, meteorology, search and rescue operations. So it is multi-purpose geostationary satellite. Okay. So it is a joint venture of the Department of Space, Department of Telecommunications, Indian Meteorological Department, All India Radio and Doordarshan. The overall coordination and management of INSAT system rests with the secretary level INSAT coordination committee. Okay. So INSAT satellites provide transponders in various band. What is the band of INSAT? T, S, extended C and Q. So already I told you what is the range of these bands in the previous slides. Okay. To serve the television and communication needs of India. Some of the satellites also have the very high resolution radiometer, CCD cameras for meteorological imaging. The satellites also incorporate transponder. So I told you what is the meaning of transponder. It's convert the frequency uplink to downlink and downlink to uplink for receiving distress alert signals for search and rescue missions in the South Asian and Indian Ocean region. As ISRO is a member of the COSPAS SARSAT program. Okay, so this is also very important. It's a member of what program, what purpose they have done for the INSAT. Okay, INSAT system. So the Indian National Satellite System was commissioned. Already I told you it is INSAT 1B 1983. INSAT 1A is the first satellite launched April 1982, but not fulfilled the mission. So the INSAT system used in a revolution in India's television and radio broadcasting, telecommunication and meteorological sectors. It enabled the rapid expansion of TV and modern telecommunication facilities to even the remote areas and offshore islands. So the whatever I have highlighted in red color, you have it in a multiple choice question. In any way they will ask, so you have to be able to answer it. Then satellites in service. Of the 24 satellites launched in the course of INSAT program, 10 are still in operation. INSAT 2E, it is the last of the 5 satellites in INSAT 2 series, Pratik. It carries 17 C-band and lower extended C-band transponders, providing zonal and global coverage with an effective isotropic radiated power of 36 dB watt. It also carries a very high resolution radiometer with imaging capacity. The visible range 0.55 to 0.75 micrometer, thermal infrared 10.5 to 12.5, and water vapor is the channels. It provides the ground resolution respectively. That is 2 cross 2 kilometer, 8 cross 8 kilometer, and 8 cross 8 kilometer ground resolution respectively. INSAT 3A. So the multi-purpose satellite INSAT 3A, April 2003, they launched, located at 93.5 degree east longitude. So this is very important. The payloads on INSAT 3A are as follows: 12 normal C-band transponders. In previously you have 17 C-band and lower extended C-band transponders. Okay. In INSAT 3A, 12 normal C-band, 9 channels provided, expanded coverage from Middle East to Southeast Asia with an intended radiated power of 38 dB watt. 3 channels provide India coverage with an EIRP of 36 dB watt, and 6 extended C-band transponders provide India coverage with an EIRP of 36 dB watt. Then SECD camera provides this ground resolution, kilometer ground resolution in the visible near. So these are all the range is very important. Okay. So INSAT 3A, this is the conditions. How many transponders, where it is located, what is the coverage, what is the EIRP, and what is the camera provides the ground resolution, in visible range, near infrared range, and short wave infrared range. Okay. Then INSAT 3D. This is 2013. INSAT 3D is positioned at 82 degree east longitude. So this is 93.5. This one. INSAT 3D payloads include imager, sounder, data relay transponder, and search and rescue transponder. All the transponders provide coverage over large part of the Indian Ocean region, covering India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, and Tanzania for rendering disaster alert services. Okay. So this is the purpose for INSAT 3D, launched in July 2013. Then INSAT 3E, launched in September 2003. It's positioned at 55 degree east longitude and carries 24 normal C-band transponders, provide an edge of coverage EIRP of 37 decibel in watt over India, and 12 extended C-band transponders provide an edge of coverage EIRP of 32 dB watt over India. Then Kalpana 1. So each and every, which year it is launched, what is the position, what is the coverage, what is the power, okay, the radiated power. So everything kindly you note it for multiple choice questions. Then Kalpana 1, for that only I have marked the red color point. Okay. Kalpana 1. Kalpana 1 is an exclusive meteorological satellite launched by PSLV in September 2002. It carries very high resolution radiometer and DRT payload to provide meteorological services. It is located at 70 degree east longitude. Its first name was METSAT. It was later renamed as Kalpana 1 to for Kalpana Chawla. Then EduSat, everyone you know what is meant by for education. The satellite is launched, the education purpose, that is IP Star. Okay, so this is a video that is IP Star Gateway video conferencing server. Okay, here the customer head office, that is similar to over in the place they will teach. Okay, through the conferencing it will pass on through the satellite. Okay, then the other end with customer head office, this is branch office, so they can have the whatever they teach, they can get it. Okay, so this is EduSat, configured for audio visual medium, employing digital interactive classroom lessons and multimedia content. What we were doing now. EduSat was launched by GSLV in September 2004. Its transponders and their ground coverage are specially configured to cater to the educational requirements, only for the education purpose. GSAT-2, this is launched by second flight of GSLV in May 2003. GSAT-2 is located at 48 degree east longitude and carries 4 normal C-band transponders to provide 36 dB watt EIRP with the India coverage, 2 Q-band transponders with 42 dB watt EIRP over India, and an MSS payload similar to those on INSAT 3B and INSAT 3C. INSAT 4 series. So this is the view of INSAT 4 series. Okay, you have a satellite, EV panel, fuel tank, west panel, reflector, north panel, solar panel, south panel, you have a battery, east panel, then reflector in the east side, AEV panel, then you have that is launch pad. Okay. Now, so INSAT 4A is positioned at 83 degree east longitude along with the INSAT 2E and INSAT 3B. It carries 12 Q-band, 36 megahertz bandwidth transponders employing 140 watt, that is traveling wave transmitting antennas to provide an EIRP of 52 decibel watt at the edge of coverage polygon with footprint covering Indian main land and 12 C-band 36 megahertz bandwidth transponders provide an EIRP of 39 dB watt at the edge of coverage with the expander radiation patterns encompassing Indian geographical boundary area beyond India is southeast and northwest regions. Then Tata Sky, a joint venture between the Tata Group and Star, uses INSAT 4A for distributing their DTH service. So whatever we have at this one. So this is the DTH services INSAT 4A, INSAT 4B, glitch in INSAT 4B, China Stuxnet connection, INSAT 4 cognitive radio, GSAT 8, INSAT 4G, GSAT